You can permanently disable the auto start-stop feature on your 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali without reprogramming the engine computer. The quickest hardware solution is installing an inline memory harness behind your center console switch bank. This simple plug-and-play cable physically remembers your preference and keeps the system turned off every time you start the truck. The factory auto start-stop system defaults to the on position for emissions compliance. Pressing the dash button works temporarily, but you have to do it during every single drive. Reprogramming the ECU voids your powertrain warranty and risks failing dealership software updates. A memory harness bypasses these issues by simply mimicking a manual button press right after the engine turns over. To install this harness, you need a plastic trim removal tool to carefully pop off the bezel surrounding the climate controls and bottom switch bank. The Denali trim uses sturdy retention clips, so apply steady pressure from the bottom edge and pull straight back. Once the panel is loose, locate the main wiring connector plugged into the back of the auto start-stop switch. Disconnect this factory plug by pressing the locking tab and pulling it free. Take your new auto start-stop memory harness and snap it directly into the back of the switch. Then, plug the factory truck wiring into the other end of the harness. Tuck the extra wire securely behind the plastic framing so nothing rattles when you drive. Push the switch panel back into the dashboard until all the retention clips snap firmly into place. Start your Sierra Denali and press the auto start-stop button once to turn the system off. The orange indicator light will illuminate. Turn the truck off, wait 10 seconds, and start the engine again. The system will stay exactly how you left it, keeping your V8 running seamlessly at every red light.